What is up, YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you guys how I do a medium drop fade with some shear work on top. Very easy steps. If you guys haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. You guys can also comment and like. Let's get it. To start out, I got my NDC outliners, and I'm going to give my haircut some contour with the first guideline by making sure that the guideline points down in front of the ear, and I'm going to do the same to the other side of the head. I got my magic clip with the lever all the way open here, going up an inch, and I'm just gonna make sure that my next guideline is nice and even. I got my magic clip here with the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way closed, and I'm going up about another inch for the next section. I'm going to step down to my half guard with the lever all the way open here, and I'm going to close the lever as I get closer to my last guideline. Just the technique I use, which is the fade down technique, just makes it easier for me. In this next step, using the blend down technique as before, I got my lever all the way open, and I'm still blending down, closing my lever as I get closer to my last guideline. I'm gonna add some moisture to the hair so I can separate the long hairs from the short hairs, and it's gonna be a more natural looking part because my client doesn't like the trimmers or the razor on it, and it's gonna have a more executive look to it. To get some of the dark areas I couldn't get with the clip or comb, I'm going to use my guards. I got my number 2 guard with the lever all the way closed here, and I'm going to step it down to my 1.5, then to my number 1 guard. Now I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the left side of the head. Nothing special about this next step coming up. Just simply applying some moisture to my client's head. Take off an inch, maybe an inch and a half. This is the end of the haircut. I'm just styling it. Let me know if you guys liked it, if you guys didn't, what you liked about it. Also, let me know what kind of haircuts you would like for me to do in the next videos. I will be uploading more frequently. Also, you can follow me on social media, Instagram at 9fabian_radius4. Thank you.